And now it's time for another Wellness 101. How to develop a healthy habit. Presented by St. Luke's University Health Network. Hey gang, Mr. Wellness here, and today we're going to talk about some simple steps you can take to develop a healthy habit. Do you have any habits? You know you do. We all do. A habit is a behavior that is repeated often enough so that over time, less conscious thought is required to make that behavior happen. For instance, how much time do you spend a day thinking about and planning to brush your teeth? Probably not much. If you're like most people, you probably brush your teeth when you wake up in the morning and before you go to bed. It's automatic. You don't think about it, you just do it. And thus, teeth brushing has become a habit. Unfortunately, habits can be good and bad, and conventional wisdom holds that bad habits are much easier to form. Why? Well, scientists studying how we form habits say many of us create healthy habits the wrong way. Who knew? Apparently, making bold statements and committing to unrealistic goals are not the way to form healthy habits. So here are a few steps that will go a long way in making healthy habits part of your routine. Step 1. Use your existing habits to create a new one. The best way to form a new habit is to build it on the solid foundation of an old one. For example, do a yoga pose while you're brushing your teeth. It's such a little thing, but if you do it enough, it becomes a habit. Then you can throw in a second yoga pose while you floss. Most of us have very well-defined morning and evening routines. Look to those times to start building your new healthy habits. Step 2. Go little. That's right, my friends. Bigger is not necessarily better when we're talking habits. Doing some exercises when you wake up or packing an apple in your lunch are easy habits to start because it's easier to start doing something small and seemingly insignificant than it is to make an earth-shattering change to your routine. And I promise you'll be pleasantly surprised with the results. Those morning exercises will probably grow into a full-blown workout, and that apple just might keep the doctor away. Step 3. Just do it. If you're waiting for the perfect time to start your new healthy habit, don't. That's procrastination, and that's not a healthy habit. There's no time like right now. Healthy habits take time to develop, but they form much faster when we do them more often. Go brush your teeth right now and hold the tree pose for 30 seconds. Go ahead. I'll wait. Step 4. Avoid forming new, bad habits. Make a note of what triggers a bad habit. If you're trying to eat less junk food, think of when and where you eat it. When driving? Getting it from the machine at work? In front of the TV? Avoid the trigger if you can and replace the bad habit with a good one. Take a healthy lunch to work and plan another activity for your evening. Hey, no one said this was going to be easy, but it will be worth it. Step 5. Reward yourself. How do you get your kids to eat their vegetables? Promise them ice cream. Every parent has done it or something similar. Rewards are a part of our everyday life. They're how we know that all of our hard work was worth all the trouble. Some rewards are built in. If you exercise, you'll feel better and lose weight. Some rewards you need to manufacture, like stopping after work one day and getting that super healthy and delicious smoothie you've been craving. It's okay, because you've earned it. Folks, adopting new, healthier habits may protect you from serious health problems, like obesity and diabetes. New habits like healthy eating and regular physical activity may also help you manage your weight and give you a much-needed boost in your energy levels. After a while, if you stick with these changes, they'll become part of your daily routine. And parents, when performed regularly and over time, healthy habits are the foundation of a lifestyle of improved overall health. Since your children are dependent upon you to learn and maintain healthy habits, it's important to serve as both teacher and role model. That's it, my healthy habit heroes. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Wellness 101.